How to add gold on MetaTrader 4. Are you guys facing issues to add gold on your MetaTrader 4? If that's so, then this video might help you out. First of all, open MetaTrader 4 on your mobile device. Once you open the app, now look at the left bottom of your screen where you can see the option for codes. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, now look at the top right corner of the screen where you can see the icon for plus. Click on it. Now tap on source and search for gold. Once you search for gold, now click on plus icon. Once you click on plus icon, it will be added on your watch list. Now tap on gold. Now go over chart. And that's it guys, that's how we're gonna add gold on MetaTrader 4. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.